Right, guys. Um, so yesterday I spoke about Bitcoin Cash, and this is an emergency update. So I didn't really have a lot to say about Bitcoin Cash before because, to be honest, I didn't know how the market was going to react. Yesterday I did say that look, this red line, not this one, this red line here. We want to see a move so that if we're going to take this low out here, we want to see it recover like that, and it could look like this and then go up, right? Obviously, we didn't get that, so we got a rejection from the red line. But I am here to tell you, I am going to long Bitcoin Cash from around about $385. Okay, 386, something like that. Okay. Um, I believe that that is where the best price to long Bitcoin Cash is. As you can hear in the background that I have a lot of alerts going off because I've set them to go off at specific price levels. But that is your ABC. Okay, so hopefully I'll get filled on this order. After which I'm going to see how the market reacts, and then perhaps I'll increase that order, and you can follow that trade over on Levex, and that's just missed a million over there. We'll have a look at ETH. If it'll load. Oh no, that's XRP. Actually, XRP is coming into the same sort of area that I was looking at. I think that's what my what my alerts are. Anyway, let's get rid of that. So with ETH, so that's the alert. Let's have a look here. That's the ABC, and we are in that box now. Okay, so we've got so you can hear lots of alerts going off because I'm doing this in Armageddon. Effectively, we are at the point where I want to be buying. So we've got also Bitcoin is also going into its box. So let's zoom that chart out. Okay, so we are in the box for Bitcoin as well. Let's go on to the smaller time frame on the hourly. Yeah, so we're just creeping into that box now. So this is the liquidity. These two lines are the liquidity. We've taken the liquidity out here, which is actually one of the high lows that was set on the weekly. So that is something to be aware of on the daily. So we took out our first daily low, but that could be a liquidity grab. We could also still take out these two lows here. Look, so the green box actually extends to just below this low here, and that would be 90,660, something like that. So just be mindful of that. We could go quite deep into this box before any typical any kind of reversal. But going back to Bitcoin Cash, I think that this is it's in the golden pocket. So the 618 to the 786. Usually, I aim for about 60% below into that box. So a deep entry into that green box, especially if Bitcoin is very volatile. So so about six. Yeah, so that's 6% into that green box is 60% of it. So that's where I've put my orders here. So 386, I think, is on my order. Let me just check on Levex. It is very important, guys, that if you're going to follow my trades, that you do come and follow me on Levex, because, as I said, you can see all of my open orders. And you don't need to watch videos to see what I'm doing. But I will bring over this chart now. Levex is my extreme trading, and I only use small amounts of capital when I'm trading on leverage. Most of my holdings are in spot, but if you do fancy leverage trading, you like the risk or whatever, then head on over to Levex, and you can see that my limit order here is at 38650. Okay. And we'll just try and build this account up. I've actually blown it up twice already. I mean, just come on over and have some fun with it. We'll see if we can get hit maybe on this video. It's looking pretty good. But as you can tell, as I say, all of my alerts are going off. But in fact, to be honest, I'll post this video now, and then everyone's got the chance to follow what I'm doing. Cheers, guys.